I like to work on the color wheel. Here's a little sample. Using Cobalt Blue, Cerulean Blue, Hooker's Green, Dioxazine Purple, Cadmium Yellow Pale, Ultramarine Blue, Cadmium Red, Cadmium Orange, Payne's Gray, and Burnt Umber. Sometimes I use white. White isn't to mix the color. White is kind of effect that I do for snows. And another one I use for cherry blossom, I use pink. This one is a permanent rose. It's more towards red, but you can do it this way. If you have 3 colors, you can basically come up with similar color to those in color wheel. Any of our complementary colors to create that. Anything that's orange and blue, you can mix that. Yellow and purple, you can also mix that neutral color. I'll go from light color to dark color on my palette. This is primary color. Primary color. It will be red, yellow, blue. Secondary color is in between primary color. Secondary color, red and yellow mix orange. This yellow blue mix green. Red and blue mix purple. In between the primary color and secondary color makes tertiary color. Red, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, green, blue, green, blue, purple, red, purple. This is primary color. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna figure out what the complementary color next to each other, but when it's combined, you get neutral color. So you can do red and green. So complementary color is opposite side, opposite colors on the color wheel. So red, green, and the primary color of yellow plus purple makes neutral color. Blue to orange. Orange should create neutral color. So we'll mix it and see if that is true. From lightest color yellow. So yellow, and I'll just put yellow here. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Orange. Red orange is adding red to the orange. Red orange. Red right here. Red. Red purple. Alizarin Crimson and add purple to it. Red purple. And have purple. Blue purple. Add blue to the purple. Add French Ultramarine. Blue, I'll use Cobalt Blue. Blue green, I'll use Cerulean Blue and green to make a blue green. Green is just a color out of tube. I forgot to color this in, so this is green. Yellow green, so I have green, add yellow to the green. Nice yellow green. We have all the colors. Let's make a complementary color. Red and green. Red. If I mix this red with green, I should be able to make some kind of brown or gray color. That's a good color. warm gray color. Yellow and purple. There's purple right there. I'm gonna mix a little bit of yellow to it. That's another very warm gray color in the purple. Blue and orange. There's some orange, so I'm gonna add a little bit of blue to it. Blue. They're all beautiful neutral colors. I'm gonna put blue right here. Orange. There you go. Make some kind of color changing harmony type of painting, which I thought it's good to do. Sunset, because sunset has from yellow to blue to purple, and you can kind of use a little bit of green for the grass and darker areas. We're gonna try to use a lot of that color changes here. Green, I mix a little bit of desaturate with the red, or add darker colors like Payne's gray to create that silhouette of that grass. Let's do that. This is gonna be wet on wet. First, I need yellow in the middle, but like have the brightest in the middle too. And then kind of fade it out. Now, next color, orange. Fade it out. Save some yellow, and same time spread that out. That's water, so I'm just making that ripple already. Alright, so now make another color change to red. And I have enough water, enough color, and then just get into some dramatic color change, and then reflections as well, and then try not to go too much over of orange, because you want to keep that orange and yellow as well as the red coming from outside of those colors. And then goes up a little bit, goes down, goes up, goes down. Just have to kind of quickly move. Alizarin Crimson, getting into a little bit purpler color, darker and cooler color. And then now getting into purple. Keep mixing to the color before, so the gradation is a little bit easier. When I have puddle like that on the side, I'm just going to get rid of that. But working from that dark to light, cool to warm. So, and increase a little more purple. And then have more kind of darker to that towards the top. And a side and a bottom. Alright, and then go move on to French Ultramarine. and then just mix it with the purple. So I kind of working top and bottom now. So and then a little bit of side. Have ripples going through. Okay. Blue with a green with a Payne's gray and burnt umber all mixed. It's nice and dark, and don't get too pasty but not too loose. I'm gonna do the horizon line. And then just to give a little bit of gradation, I'm getting rid of the color so I can get like lighter. It's like graded wash, but here's the lightest. I'm gonna just clean it and work on the middle, and then go from here, same thing, and then get rid of little to meet in the middle. So you got a little bit of gradation there, and then you can get a little bit of textures or shape, irregular shape, to create the nature tree look. And then towards the middle, I would just get a little looser and like lighter with less pigment. Reflecting color of this land on water, kind of going with a ripple, and then try not to take away the light in the middle, but trying to darken from the side. A little bit of details and textures. You can like a little bit of line for tree trunks. And then you're gonna have a dry brush on the foreground a little bit. And at the end, just to have a little bit of grass on the foreground. Purple and green creates deeper green. You can add a little bit of neutral colors, brown and gray, to give it darker color and desaturate the tone. And you can go like in the foreground, little details. You can make a signature using skinny brush. I'm gonna use this dark color. I'm gonna add some of my signature line here, so my signature is part of the picture.